Hi guys, I'm unboxing my DJI Pocket 3 Creative Combo, guys. This is the price, guys. 555. This is how it comes. So guys, this is it. And inside. Guys, that was me shouting. I'm excited. So guys, this is the first thing I'm bringing out. This is an extra battery that works with the DJI Pocket 3 and is detachable, and also this is also an extra battery extended also, so it means that 2 battery came with the Pocket 3. And this is the mic. Yeah, this is the microphone, and it is chargeable. Yeah, and yeah, that's the USB port there where you can charge it. Yeah guys, this is the mic. I've been wanting a microphone. Like, I've been a content creator, I have no microphone. Yes, this is the tripod stand. Yeah, that also comes with it. This tripod might look so small for some creators, but you can always get a longer one from Amazon if you don't like this. For now, this is good for a start for using your Pocket 3. And guys, you can see me rolling it in. Yeah, this is the extended battery that is plugged into the Pocket 3. Then you put your Pocket 3 on top of it, guys. I'm not the only ones doing this unboxing, guys. The keys are around. If I should leave the voiceover, I should leave the real, content without doing a voiceover, guys. You guys will feel the pressure. I'm unmuting now so that you can really hear the original sound in the video. The USB. Lights top. When I don't fall that thing, no. This is the USB, guys. I hope you guys got the original audio from the video background. This is me bringing out the DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo, guys. Can you see that? I'm even trying to adjust the camera so that you guys can see it. Guys, this is it, and you just have the same feeling by the time you receive this package. It's so cute, beautiful, tiny. It looks like a new baby, guys. Yeah, that's the feeling of having it. And it's so portable. It's so it doesn't give you that kind of attention that you have when you're with a camera vlogging outside. No, it doesn't even give you the attention of a phone. It's just seamless. Guys, I planned buying a camera, and boom, I got this as a gift. Oh, that's the feeling. How sweet. And I needed to do the unboxing, and that's why we are here. It's so beautiful. You can see others are dragging for it as well. So this is me fixing up the extended battery, guys. One good thing about it is that you can put the extended and charge it at the same time. The Pocket 3 camera itself has its own battery, which is 100% inbuilt. So you can use it without that extended battery. You can see me is on. Once it's on, the camera starts rolling to whichever direction you want it to roll, and that was what I tried doing. So it has its own extra battery, which is attachable, and it has its own inbuilt battery that you can also charge directly, and you can charge both of them at the same time. Then it has one other extra battery, which I showed you again at the beginning, meaning you have 3 battery, and I think at most each of them can last up to 2 hours. So if you are the kind of person, yeah, this is the case. If you are the kind of person, let me explain this first. This is the protective case of the Pocket 3. This is the protective case. It's to protect the screen, protect the camera. Yeah, I was still trying to learn it here because it's new. So as I was saying before, if you are someone who needs more time, you vlog with like 6-8 hours, you need to buy an extra battery, because this camera, the battery just lasts like barely 2 hours. Yeah, so this is it. So this is the protective, though I didn't put it here now, but right now I know how to do it properly now. So guys, this is the wind screen cover. Yeah, it actually protects the mic from wind noise. Wind usually come with a noise when you are vlogging outside, so the job is for you to protect the wind from not sounding in the video production. If you are that kind of person that is always shy while vlogging and you don't want all eyes on you, all the attention on you, this camera is for you, because nobody gonna notice that you're actually vlogging. And but I will advise you have to be careful with the Pocket 3, because it's so tiny and fragile. And if you're going to be in a place that is crowded, you're going to be vlogging and you're going to be distracted. Maybe you are having a party, or your friend is having a party, and you know you're going to be busy sharing other stuff, doing other stuff, and you won't give that camera so attention. Please do not go with your Pocket 3. So guys, another observation is Pocket 3 is going to make you buy a lot of accessories. Yeah, I had to buy a case for my Pocket 3. Outside that pack, I had to buy a memory card, didn't come with it. Then I had to buy lighting, screen guard, screen protector for the lens. A lot, guys. So be ready to buy accessory while using and enjoying your Pocket 3. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next one. Bye. Then we have this, guys.
I'm getting the app.
So guys, thank you for watching.
Oh, download app. Hello. But we have a new app.
I need that app in a new phone.